let me start a little bit from the beginning. I mean, construction is a very conservative business with lots of opportunities for improvement, for automation, or for digital transformation, right? And some areas that we decided we need to take a very close look at is how we actually improve or manage productivity on the workforce side, as well as how can we actually improve utilization and management of our assets. Assets meaning the equipment that is being used in a construction project. Again, factors for the decision are, the sector or the business or the industry experience that Dominate brought to the table. But also very important, unlike many of the so-called IoT providers and vendors who are out there, Dominate came to the table with a real end-to-end offering and end-to-end experience, which means not only offering, IoT cloud platform in the background, artificial intelligence type of components, but really the smart hands, the hands-on experience to deploy the solution end-to-end, meaning from implementing the sensors, up to the processing power, to the processing software back in the cloud environment. We met in the beginning, in the early stages of the process, trying to find vendors. We met several vendors, and we found Dominate to be a very appealing partner due to the experience in our industry, but also experience across industries, and significant experience with the technology as such. So therefore, we felt very strong about the collaboration with Dominate. The benefits are, and at the moment, with one solution on the asset management and asset tracking side, we are already deployed. We are about to go live, right? So we are expecting significant benefits in terms of not only understanding where the equipment and where the assets are, but also in the utilization, in the automated cost allocation and billing of the assets, in the reduction of manual work on the side of the workshop, which is a team that manages all the assets, right? But also then we're expecting on the labor side a significant improvement in the productivity and also the safety aspect of the labor, meaning we know that we make sure that we have the right talent assigned to the right workload. We optimize the utilization of the labor that we have, but also very important, obviously, on the safety side, we make sure that we avoid, for instance, collision between man and machine. We keep track of, where labor is at the construction site in case of emergency evacuation, right? All of these activities, basically, we had no solution so far, or there were very kind of, bumpy manual alternatives, which are very cumbersome, work intensive, and old-fashioned style, so to speak. Dominate enhances the business processes around all the asset management, asset handling, asset tracking, right? But also, on the labor side, to help us to completely automate the way that we manage and optimize our labor, right? So that is from the planning, forecasting, but also going into more like, a predictive type of mode by using analytics and AI in the next step of the project.